Okay, this is a quick video just to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi. I have it now connected through cable to my Mac Mini, but I run into some trouble because I did it wrong when I tried to connect to Bluetooth. Okay, so although the video said FN and the tab key, I understood it to mean that you had to push them both, but it's not. Take, sorry, red light there. I push the FN key. Oh, I have to do that with, they're far apart, I can't reach. Okay, but when it comes to it, you have to hold the FN key and then push the tab. There. See? And it changed to green. And then I hold that little button here on the back. And I wait until it starts flashing. There. And now it will connect to anything I want. So it was that simple. When I run into trouble, I wrote to Fineday through email, and as always, the next morning when I wake up, they answer because of the time difference, and it's working perfectly now as I wanted to use it. Okay, so keep the FN key and only then touch the tab. Then it turns green. And of course you have the switch next to that little button here on the end. You have it on here. But it speaks for itself. Okay? Thank you.